The Nothing Phone 3 is shaping up to be the most ambitious and refined device from the company to date, signaling a major leap forward in both design and functionality. Set for release in the third quarter of 2025, this phone marks a deliberate evolution from its predecessors, with Nothing opting to delay the launch to focus on integrating advanced artificial intelligence features and improving the overall user experience. This decision reflects the brand's growing commitment to innovation and its desire to carve out a unique space in the increasingly competitive smartphone market. Design-wise, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to maintain the brand's signature transparent aesthetic, but with even more polish and attention to detail. A 6.7-inch AMOLED display with ultra-smooth refresh rates is rumored, promising vibrant colors and an immersive visual experience. Under the hood, the device is said to run on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 3 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance and efficient multitasking, especially for gaming and AI-driven tasks. Camera capabilities are also being enhanced, with leaks pointing to a dual 50MP rear camera setup designed to deliver sharp, detailed photos in various lighting conditions. A new iPhone-style action button may also debut, giving users customizable control over frequently used functions like voice assistants, camera shortcuts, or Do Not Disturb modes. On the software side, Nothing is expected to build on its clean, minimal Nothing OS with deeper AI integrations that offer smarter notifications, predictive actions, and better contextual awareness. Battery life is also anticipated to see improvements, with faster charging and better optimization to support all-day usage. With a starting price projected around $599, the Nothing Phone 3 continues the company's strategy of offering high-end features at a more accessible price point. Altogether, the Phone 3 isn't just a spec bump, it's being positioned as a thoughtfully designed, AI-enhanced flagship that could make waves in 2025's smartphone landscape.